How to upload YouTube Shorts from your phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily upload YouTube Shorts from your phone. So without any further delay, let us just jump right in. First thing first, you need to go ahead and open up the YouTube application. And once you open it up, make sure that you are logged into your account. So I'm already logged in here, and what I want to do is basically tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Once you're on this section, you can find the gallery icon at the left side of your screen, but make sure that you are on the short section. So just go ahead and tap on the gallery icon. Now if you want to select multiple, you can find the select multiple option at the bottom left corner, but I'll just select this one video and then tap on next. Once you have done that, you can edit the video if you want, and you can drag to adjust the video as well. So what I'm going to do is just leave it as it is and then tap on done. Now I will process your video. It's going to take a moment, so just wait for a bit. Once the video has been added, tap on the check icon on the right side of your screen. And once that is done, you can just tap on next again. You can add details like caption, your visibility, location. You can select target audience. And if you want to add a link of a related video, you can do that as well. So I'll just leave it as it is and then tap on upload short. Just go ahead and tap on it. And now your short is being uploaded. That's basically it, guys. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys in the next one.